Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode. Here we have on the bench today a Honda ST70. Well, that's what it originally was. Far removed from that now. As you can see, highly modified. It just every nook and cranny's been sort of altered and fettled with and what have you. The only original things is the frame, this chrome neck tube, and it's not currently got a fuel tank in it, but the fuel tank, which I more than likely will modify. So yeah, it's not going to be much, like I say, left unaltered on this bike. But the reason for the video today is, so I bought the frame originally from America, and obviously I don't get a logbook. It is on the Nova website, but where I'm struggling is getting the age related certificate. So I've gone to Honda, no luck with them. They just weren't able to help me. So then they put me in touch with the Honda Owners Club. They're great, and I've had a lot of backwards and forwards, explaining the bike and whatever. They said, look, send over some pictures and frame numbers and whatever, and we'll see what we can do. And I was like, great. So I sent it over. They come back to me and were like, unfortunately, due to its high modification, they weren't able to help me. It'd have to go on a Q plate. But I went, look, if I was to put original suspension and everything back on it, they're not too worried about the engine. That's brilliant. So I could swap it all over, and I said, look, would that satisfy? And they come back to me and went, yeah, not a problem. If you do that, happy to give the age related certificate. So little waste card is up on the mega shelf. I have an original Honda ST70. I bought this one with the plan. I bought it cheap from a guy in Stevenage, not far from me. And yeah, I bought it with the plan to do exactly this. But when I got it home and I cleaned it up and got it started, it's so original and so unmessed with, I couldn't bring myself to tear it apart and basically do this. So I ended up, like I say, buying a frame from America. I've got a load of bits I want to do leading on from this. Once I get the registration and documents and everything like that, there's going to be a whole little series, and I call me mad, I want to do a little series road to 100. I want to get this thing doing 100 miles an hour. I don't know if that would be possible, easy. I really have not got a clue. I haven't really done much research, but it's a nice round figure. It's a nice number to aim for. It is only a little bike, so look, 100 mile an hour on this thing is going to feel like 300 mile an hour. So yeah, I hope you guys follow on and stay tuned for that. But first thing first, we've got to get legal for the road. Ooh-yatcha.